to Unique Learning. So today we will learn some action verbs. Running. They all are running. Walking. The boy is walking. Sleeping. The girl is sleeping. Writing. The girl is writing a book. Reading. The boy is reading a book. Eating. The girl is eating ramen. Playing. The boy is playing a ball. They are dancing. Crying. The girl is crying. Fighting. They both are fighting. Cleaning. The girl is cleaning the mirror. Laughing. The girl is laughing. Listening. The girl is listening to music. Riding. They both are riding bikes. Climbing. The girl is climbing. Drinking. The girl is drinking water. Jumping. The boy is jumping with skipping rope. Cooking. Grandma is cooking. The man is thinking. Clapping. They all are clapping. Singing. They all are singing together. Watching. They both are watching television. Sitting. The girl is sitting. Standing. The boy is standing. Hugging. They both are hugging each other. Kicking. The boy is kicking a ball. Swimming. The fishes are swimming. Thanks for watching my video and please like and subscribe my channel.